Come on.
Come on. Ride the reps. Sit back on them. Yep. You want to get that side? If you can see the back of the wrap, watch yourself. See this meat? That's there for purpose. He's going to sit on it, drive on it.
Come on.
Nice and strong, nice and strong.
Come on, Pierre. Sit back on the wrap, ride it. Take your time. Don't try to ease off the wrap. Hit it. To your left. There you go.
Let's go. Come on, get on. Take your time.
Come on.
Big breath.
Strong, strong.